Why would a veteran need to hedge their medical evidence? What is hedging? Hedging is protecting yourself, right? It's found in all over the place, at the roulette table, you bet some on black and red. Financial sector, right? Bitcoin and gold and normal investments or, whatever. There's all sorts of different hedges, but it's a protection move. So when we're talking about hedging medical evidence, you have the VA and their medical evidence, inaccurate, lowball. Sometimes they're right too. But you want to hedge against that because it's so unpredictable, volatile. It's ridiculous, but that's the way it is. You don't have to believe it. This information comes from you guys. I mean, this channel is over 100,000 subscribers. I listen to you guys, what you say. I get a lot of ideas for videos and a lot of philosophies from you guys. We're figuring this out together. This is called hedging your medical evidence, right? If you think the VA is rainbows and unicorns and they're lovely and outstanding, it's your claim, man. Think whatever you want. That's what the cool part about this is. We're just sharing information, If something makes sense, grab onto it, look at it, if it's something you can use, perfect. Something you disagree, if I'm saying stuff you disagree with constantly, you should probably go watch the Department of Veterans Affairs YouTube channel. They remove all the comments and they sit there and lie to you and blow smoke up your ass all day long. You should probably just turn me off. For those that actually like to hear what I have to say, different perspective or whatever, and facts, sorry, there's not too many rainbows and unicorns. So the hedging. So the VA's working against you, lowballing, lying, mixing up other people's records into your records, and then making decisions about your health based on somebody else's wrong record being in your file. Is it wrong? Absolutely it's wrong, but it happens. So that's what you're up against. You hedge by having a private doctor. Yeah, I know. A private doctor might cost some money, might cost a lot of money, a lot of ways to do it. And there's different levels of how you might hedge. But if you're service connected for something, you need to, hedge against the VA. So when they come after your rating, which they will, and I know if you don't think the VA ever does that either, you should go watch their website, right? Rainbows, unicorns, all that kind of stuff. They do it. I see a lot of veterans of all sorts of ages getting reduced all the time, 100% P&T reduction notice. They're not supposed to do that. They did it. They do it. I'm telling you, it happens. And you need to know how to fight. So one of the ways, the most effective way, is this hedge. You want to have VA medical evidence, not so good, not so strong, might hold up. This is a choice you have to make. I just don't believe the VA medical evidence. I read mine. It sucks. If I was actually a VA rater, I would be trying to reduce me every day based on what they say about me. But what I do is get my private doctors and I put that in there. I upload it multiple times a year and then I go look and make sure that it's actually in there. All right, cool. Combat Craig's depression really isn't too bad. Combat Craig's depression is horrible. They cancel each other out. The VA is going to, obviously, if their goal is to reduce, they're going to go looking for the negative stuff. They're really good at that. And they'll probably just look right on past my positive stuff, but it's still there. When they do the rating reduction on me, first thing I do is request a hearing, formulate a strategy just for that. But I already kind of have one in mind, right? I already have medical evidence there that they purposely ignored. But I'm going to go get more. So I have a really strong reason and argument, when I go to the hearing, right, and make my argument. So that's what hedging medical evidence is all about.
If you need to appeal your VA claim, check out Hill and Ponton at hillandponton.com. See if they can help you out. Also, if you're at Camp Lejeune between 53 and 87, you may be eligible for additional benefits. Links for both of those are in the description. Don't forget to sign up for my boot camp if you want to learn more about my process, which is the VA claims process. You're going to need medical evidence to win your VA claim. If you're missing a diagnosis, severity of your symptoms, or a nexus, and your doctor won't do it for you, send an email to Second Strata and see if they can help you with your missing medical evidence.